So most people solve this question like 30 divided by 2, right, is equal to 15. Now 15 times 2 is equal to 30. So 30 divided by 30 and is equal to 1. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, P E M D A S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, and second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then first and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, first we have to solve this parenthesis, right? So now 30 divided 2. Now solve this parenthesis. 30 divided by 2 is equal to 15. So multiply 15. Now here we have one division and here multiplication. In multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division, right? So 30 divided by 2 is equal to 15 times 15, right? So now 15 times 15 is equal to 225, right? So the correct answer is 225. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe with the Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.